Alright guys, it's been a while since I've posted anything, but I've just been busy on this one. This is Brandon's 051 STIHL. I bought him a little Red Barn TS760 top end. I've got some stainless studs so that I can put this top end on. Because the 051 uses bolts and these use studs. I've ported this cylinder. The exhaust is pretty much left alone, just polished, broke the edges inside. The intake, I grabbed some timing. Right in the center there. Rounded it out upward. I am doing base gasket delete on this one. I haven't checked squish yet. That's why the cylinder's on today. I'm still waiting for a decompression valve. I had to widen the intake holes, which I'll probably make another video on how I did that. It was tough. The pipe also is wider, so it's been widened, and the holes. I am working with a guy with a 3D printer right now, so if anyone wants intakes for these, or velocity stacks, or for other things as well, that's happening. But yeah, this should hopefully be together in a couple weeks for a test run, and I'll try and keep updating.